You may have seen a few people test Flex Seal on a bucket, but you've never seen anything like mine. That's a lot of damage. How about a little more?
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast systems and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is Channels E! News. We will continue to serve the Indianapolis area. If you're not in this local area, you should tune to cable systems providing news and information for your local area. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 2:49 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration has detected a supernova 30 light-years away. The explosion will emit powerful gamma rays, powerful enough to wipe out all effect forms on Earth. There is nothing you can do to save yourselves. Gather your loved ones and pets. Pray to your God or gods. And try to spend your last minutes on Earth. John 3:16. For God so loved the world, that he gave his only Son, that whoever believes in him should not perish, but have eternal life. Please stand by as the broadcast signs off with the national anthem.